Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome routine that's gonna help tone your arms. So let's get right into it. First, starting with a quick warm up, all right? Making sure you're in a strong stance throughout this entire warm up, throughout this entire exercise. All right, feet are hip width apart, a little bend in your knees, tucked in tummy, closed rib cage, all right? Chin up. We're starting with some shoulder rolls, all right? So up, back, and then down. Really exaggerating this movement, really feeling it, making sure you're not like caving in, all right? So chin up, chest is proud, very good. All right, now we're gonna switch ways, go forward in 3, 2, 1, and switch. All right, very good. If it helps moving your entire arms with these shoulder rolls, go for it, all right? You don't have to, just keep them by your sides, kind of tighten up. If you need to, go ahead and use your entire arm to help those shoulder rolls. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next, we have some arm swings. We're gonna do horizontal and vertical, all right? So a few ways, horizontal, and then go ahead and switch and do vertical. All right, very good. Remembering to keep your rib cage closed, all right? So we're not splaying out when we open our arms. We're not going like this. Boom, tuck it in, control. Very important for spine health. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Ending it with some big arm circles. All right, so 3 times one way, and then boom, halt, and then the other way. Very good, 3 times. Breathing, very good. Check on that posture, check on that tummy. Suck it in, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Moving on to our workout. Alrighty, first up we have a front raise to unicorn tap, 30 seconds on the clock. Front raise and then to unicorn tap, that's your back of your hands towards each other, all right? Down and repeat. All right, stopping here, right here, nice straight line, control, boom. And then boom, control. So we're not going more or less, all right? That's where you're really gonna feel it. Tension throughout the body, throughout your arms. Very good. Chin up. And 3, 2, 1, and coming down. Very good. Next, we have some small arm circles. We did big ones in our warm-up. Now, where really feel the burn. All right, so in the shape of a little baseball, all right? Little, 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 little. Quick, 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 quick. Very good. We're gonna go forward first, and then we're gonna switch ways. So just focus on one way right now. Very good. Chin up, tight tummy. Quick, small. Woo, burn, baby, burn. All right, 3, 2, 1, shake it out, and other way. Don't forget to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. You got this. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Next we have some W rotations, all right? Arms are in a W shape, and then boom, palms flip backwards, all right? Now here, really isolating your arms. We're not moving our entire body, we're not going like this, all right? No, boom, straight spine stays there. Just flip those arms. That's where you're really gonna feel it. Awesome. Chin up, long, elegant neck. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Last but not least of our first set, we have scissor arms, all right? So you can do this with palms facing down, so we're gonna feel it more in your deltoids, or palms facing up, and that's where you're gonna feel it more in your chest, all right? So whatever you'd like to work on more, go ahead and do that one. Quick, 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 very good. Check on your tummy, check on your posture. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out and celebrate. Set 1 done. Great job. Big breath. Going right into set 2. You got this. Starting with front raises to unicorn tap. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and shake out. Very good. Small arm circles one way. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, switch. And 3, 2, 1, rest. Shake it out. Very good. W rotation. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. And last but not least, scissor arms. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it out. Very good. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1, and shake out. Very good. Small arm circles one way. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, switch. And 3, 2, 1, rest. Shake it out. Very good. W rotation. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. And last but not least, scissor arms. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Well done, my beautiful people. 3 sets of your exercise done. Now we're gonna end it with a nice cool down. Stretch out those arms. Mine are on fire. I'm sure yours are too. All right, starting with a cross body stretch. All right, arms out to the side. One comes over, the other one comes down right above your elbow, and you're going to pull it close to you. All right, if you want to further this stretch, what you can do is bend your elbow, go above your shoulder, and then pull it towards you and get more. And 3, 2, 1, switch. And 3, 2, 1, release. Very good. Moving on to a tricep stretch. Arms above your head. All right, go ahead, bend one and grab the elbow with the other. All right, and gently pull down towards you, making sure you're not opening up your rib cage. You're not like this, all right? Remember, boom, lock it in and tilt your chin up. So put your head up, pushing your arm with your head a little bit. It furthers the stretch. So instead of this, all right, boom, boom. And 3, 2, 1, gently release and switch. And 3, 2, 1, release, coming down. Very good. Hands behind your body, clasping your hands for a chest opener, all right? Clasping those hands and then gently straightening out your arms, all right? Remember, trying to keep our chest up. We're not down here, all right? Boom. And we don't want to overdo it where we open our arms like this, so tucking it in. Very good. If you want to further this stretch even more, you can go to a countertop or a table or a chair and put your arms there, all right? And then use that countertop to kind of pull your arms up away. And 3, 2, 1, gently release. And there we have it, my beautiful people, our full toned arms routine. We had a warm up, 3 sets of an exercise cool down. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of, what videos you would like to see more of. If you have a favorite workout here on our channel, go ahead, drop that link so someone else can try it. All right, and I hope to see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.